Hi, I'm John Graham, Executive Vice President of the software company Solutions360. I'd like to welcome you today to the 16th Annual NSCA Business and Leadership Conference. In my 15 years working with low-voltage contractors, almost every single one of them has had the same goal: achieving predictable, steady, and profitable growth. So if that's the universal goal of these businesses, then why isn't every one of them viable and profitable? The answer often resides in access to the elusive and hard to get at data of the business. Having these numbers at hand when you need them and in the proper context is crucial. But the real magic is in the application of this information and making good business decisions as a result. We've had the opportunity to work with progressive business leaders who had the vision and leadership to take a software tool to gain access to this data and leverage it to increase revenues and profitability, lay a solid foundation to continue and execute on their business plan, and achieve predictable, steady, and profitable growth. I have the pleasure to speak with two successful NSCA members and ask them some key questions on how they did it and how they continue to do it today. I'd like to introduce you to Eric Morris, the CFO of Wayne Automatic, a 600-person life safety company with branch offices throughout the southeastern United States. Hi Eric, and thank you for being with us. You've been a 360 customer for about 4 years now. With your 25 years as a professional CFO in the construction industry, how would you say your relationship with Solutions360 is different?
We feel that the folks at Solutions360 are genuinely committed to see that Wayne Automatic achieves our goals and aspirations. We view them much more than as a vendor, more so as a coach. In fact, I would even go as far as to say that the people at Solutions360 view their success not in terms of products or services they might sell, but rather in the tools they provide to their partner companies to achieve the things that they're working towards and to bring them to a new level of success.
How does the Solutions360 software and the people at Solutions360 affect your business from a strategic standpoint?
At Wayne Automatic, we're always working to elevate our game to the next level. When you do that, you don't always have the tools beforehand to take you on the journey. What we look to Solutions360 to help us with is to provide the tools to help us get through the things that we didn't anticipate. We think that they're extremely agile and can react quickly. There's a lot of things that we didn't foresee, and we realize it's a trial and error process. You have to have a partner that's willing to make that journey with you and has the technical expertise to pivot quickly and find the solutions you need to real-world problems.
Jay Rogina is the CEO of Spinatar, an audio-visual and communications company with over 100 staff and branch offices throughout the southwestern United States. Hi Jay, you've been a Solutions360 customer for just over a year. Prior to engaging us, you've had several software initiatives in place at Spinatar. How would you say things are different with Solutions360?
I think the relationship between Solutions360 and Spinatar has been a solid, but more importantly, a continual one. They just didn't sell us a software package. Load it, train it, and leave us. We're over a year into it, and we continually work with them on a training programs to continue to use more and more of the software program that we purchased. In doing that, it allows us to get a little bit better in our processes. It allows us to get more efficient. It allows us to be more accountable. After about a year into it, we're really fine-tuning our processes and fine-tuning the data that is needed and fine-tuning the information that we feed back to our staff. We think that's so valuable, and it's valuable to them because they can feel success, they can feel failure. And now we're all in it together. It is all about accountability, and 360 has allowed us to be accountable from top to bottom.
Jay, when you and I first met, you shared with me some big goals for growth for Spinatar. At the time, you were facing some big hurdles. How did you address those hurdles, and how are things different today?
I think every goal in the company is to grow the company, and how do you grow Spinatar? And I think with where the market was and where the market is and the competitive nature of the market, from an equipment perspective, we all purchase equipment very similar in pricing. There's a couple of points here and there, but for the most part, it really is about our people and our labor. And it's really important on how we price the system. How will we become more competitive and more accurate in our pricing when it comes to labor? Q360 has allowed us to do that. It's allowed us to be and allowed the teams to be more accountable and improved our processes all the way through from start to finish.
Jay, you've initiated a lot of change at Spinatar. It's one thing to change your software to centralize all your information, but how has this change affected you and your staff and how you run your business?
Q360 has really allowed us to be accountable. Everybody from the account manager who's selling the product to our installation team is now accountable. Accountable for their time, accountable for the success of the project, accountable for the profitability of the project. It really has allowed all of us to be accountable. And I've always said to my team, you're either in sales or you support somebody who's in sales. And this really has brought those two pieces together, that salespeople are selling and doing a great job working with the support team to bring those systems to closure, to bring those systems to success. And Q360 gives us the tracking tools and the information, the data needed to feedback. People need feedback. And this system allows us to do a lot of feedback to our teams on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis, which has really, truly improved our process.
Thanks to all Solutions360 customers who have had the vision to change. Let me leave you today with this closing thought. Knowledge isn't power. The right knowledge at the right time in the right hands is real power. If you'd like to learn more about how Solutions360 can help you move your business forward and achieve predictable, steady, and profitable growth, visit Solutions360.com.